Today, I am putting you on game about keeping things clean, be it upholstery, number one, upholstery, but secondly, keeping like shoes clean. I did the Crocs video, I did quite a few videos recently. It says silicone water guard. It's a waterproofer, like for camping equipment, just your general outdoor equipment, etc. Do you know what it says, for your hat, your cowboy boots, raincoat, etc., right? Do you know what I use this for mainly? I use this mainly for keeping my upholstery clean. If you have sofa in your house, accent chairs, and the arms always get dirty, what you do is, when it's absolutely clean, you waterproof it. How does this work and why does this work? Because if you take your hand full of dry dirt and rub it on your sofa, you generally could brush it off and get it back fairly clean. But if you wet your hand with that dirt and go like this on your sofa handle, that sofa is done. And the reason is because it often requires some kind of condensation, some kind of water to get the dirt to seep into the fabric. And without the water being able to penetrate the fabric, what you'll have is a clean fabric. So in some certain business that I conduct, that I have a lot of furniture, I generally waterproof the furniture right out the box, and I generally give it another application of the waterproofer roughly about every 9 to 12 months. I put it outside and put a decent amount of the waterproofer on it, and then just have it dry and air out and bring it back inside. Sometimes the odor from this is a little strong, so you have to have it air out. This one particularly, I got it on Walmart. It says 50% more. The can holds a lot. I generally get about 4.5 accent chairs out of each can of this. I will put a link in the description down there to where you could go to pick up this waterproofer on walmart.com.